Welcome to Subway. What bread would you like? Hearty Italian, please. Yep. What do you want in it? Can I just get grilled chicken, just the plain chicken, please? Yep. Anything else? Oh, and ham as well, please. Yep. Do you want cheese and do you want it toasted? Oh, no, thank you. No cheese? No, thank you. And not toasted? No, neither of them, please, thank you. And the salad? Yeah. What salad do you want? Can I get lettuce, sweet corn, and peppers, please? Yeah. And no cheese? No, no cheese, thank you. Any sauce? Oh, no, thank you. No sauce? No, thank you. Very plain, very dry. Oh, yeah, I know, it is a weird choice. Do you want a cookie?